Hey, this is Alex Edwards, otherwise known as Mr. Edwards, and this is 50 Facts About Me. I was born in 1993 and grew up in Knoxville, Iowa. When I was in second grade, my parents split up, so I have a lot of siblings. Their names are Brandon, Zach, Caleb, Ashton, Maddie, Landon, Paige, Aiden, Allison, and new baby brother Max. My middle name is DW, which stands for Don Williams, and has nothing to do with Arthur's sister. I'm married to Shayna Edwards, a 5th grade teacher here at OES, otherwise known as Mrs. Edwards. My mother-in-law is Mrs. Hanson, and she works in the library at the elementary. Mrs. Edwards and I are expecting our first baby in early November. Our first baby is going to be a girl, and her name is going to be Lucy Elizabeth. My best friend's name is Robert, and we've been friends since 6th grade. I'm the assistant cross-country coach at the high school. A family tradition that my family has is every New Year's Eve we spend the night at my dad's house and we play games all night, and it's really fun. I participated in track for around 10 years. I ran in middle school, high school, and also at the college level. My biggest accomplishments would have to be my All-American honors through the NCAA and also NAIA. I hold around 15 track records spread across Knoxville, Central, College, and also William Penn. The first time I ever ran the 400-meter run, which is one lap around the track, I fell. I graduated from William Penn University with a degree in elementary education with endorsements in special education and coaching. I'm currently in year 2 of my master's program through UNI. With this master's, I'll be able to be a principal or an athletic director. I've taught in Oskaloosa for 4 years, and I've been in 2nd grade for all of them. My favorite part about teaching is getting to spend every single day with these kiddos and build relationships with them and their families. My favorite part of the day is recess because I get to go outside and play with everybody, and I get to build relationships with people that aren't even in my class. I'm a part of the Big Brothers Big Sisters program at the Y. I'm a big fan of superheroes, and Spider-Man's my favorite. I love playing any sport, and basketball is my favorite. 21 is my favorite number. My dad used to collect every system that came out, so video games are a big hobby of mine. My favorite game right now is Fortnite, and I've been playing it ever since it came out, way before it became popular. I have over 2,000 victory royales. I have a classroom Facebook page where I post updates and things happening in the room. I have a YouTube channel as well where we post videos throughout the year. Throughout the year, we will work on one big video called the Trick Shot video, and it's everybody's favorite video every single year. When I was in middle school, I checked out a book about juggling and taught myself. My favorite color is red. My all-time favorite food is pepperoni pizza. My favorite book is The Giver. Favorite TV show is The Office. Favorite book series is Harry Potter. Favorite movie is Avengers Endgame. My favorite animal is a cheetah. My favorite meal is breakfast, and I love breakfast sandwiches. My favorite season is spring. Favorite athlete is LeBron James. My favorite sports teams are the Lakers and the Redskins. My favorite drink is water. I haven't drank pop since I was 11 years old. My favorite candy bar is Kit Kat. My favorite holiday is Christmas because I get to see a lot of my family during that time. I'm a big fan of Pokemon, and my favorite Pokemon ever is Charizard. Baby Shark is my favorite song. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's Back in Black by AC/DC. I love fruit, and my favorite fruit is an apple. I'm a dog person and never want to have a cat, even though Mrs. Edwards wants one. I'm actually terrified of fish because when I was 5 years old, I was at the zoo and my mom was trying to take a picture of me and I fell into the pond area where there was hundreds of fish. I'm very competitive and love competition. Last year we were the Hy-Vee Kids Fit Squat Challenge champions, as well as the Dentist Pizza Party champions, the Glow Stick Dance-Off champions. If there's a competition, we're gonna try to win it. I love arcade basketball games. This is a picture of me setting the world record at the Pella Pizza Ranch. I loved the I Spy books when I was growing up, so something I like doing is hiding things. I've hidden llamas throughout this video. If you are the first to correctly tell me the amount of llamas in this video on Meet the Teacher Night, you win a llama. But there's a catch. You only get one guess. Remember, it's from the first second of the video to the last second of the video. Good luck.